So we just did these brakes and we heard some noises, and then of course we had this plate back here, this dust cover. It's grinding on the new rotor, so we're gonna go ahead and push that back real quick. A very simple, easy fix. We should have seen that a little bit sooner. There we go. Just do it a tad more on the corner, and then we should be good. Not really too much damage. Should be all right. And the brakes will just move them out. Alright, let's see. Should be good. Let's go. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Check the bottom plate, make sure it's not
right here, though, too, this side.
Look in the backside. See, that's where it was scraping out right here.
Oh yeah, I see that. That's this side. What about on
So
this
now
side?
this, I don't know if that was already there. I mean, it was a new rotor.
Yeah, that's brake pad right there.
Just double check if it was the pad or not.
Looks good. The pad's in there. That's in. It's fine.
Back over here is good?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Let me
Let's
see.
get out here.
Yeah, we're good.
Alrighty then. Let's do it. Yep, see, look, there's a little knot where it was grinding. See it on the screen?
Oh yeah.
Alright, cool. Let's get out of here.
Alright.